Hi, I'm Bruno Bianchi and this is SpainNonLucrativeVisa.com, your complete NLV resource. Let's get into it. Health insurance is the #1 reason NLV applications get rejected. Not finances, not background checks, insurance. Today I'll show you exactly what consulates check and the carriers I recommend for visa-grade coverage. You'll know the 4 non-negotiables, the carriers most likely to issue compliance certificates, and the one mistake almost every applicant makes. Let's talk about the 4 non-negotiables. Every consulate requires the same 4 features. Full medical coverage with no caps, 0 copayments for any service, no waiting periods, coverage must be active from day 1, a Spanish authorized insurer with validity across all of Spain. Some consulates explicitly rule out reimbursement clauses, so the policy must pay providers directly. The certificate must state these conditions in Spanish using the exact wording the consulate expects. Vague language gets rejected. My top 3 for NLV applicants are Sanitas, Adeslas, and DKV. Sanitas is best if you want the strongest English-speaking doctor network, most popular with Americans. Adeslas has the largest overall provider network, best for non-major city Spain. DKV is the most flexible on pre-existing conditions and includes international coverage. Asisa, Mafre, ASA, and Caser are reasonably backups depending on your region and age. Pricing for a healthy adult under 60 is typically €60 to €180 per month for visa-compliant plans. Before you commit to a carrier, look up the Cuadro Médico. Every Spanish carrier publishes a PDF directory of doctors by region and specialty. Search, for example, Adeslas Cuadro Médico Málaga or Sanitas Cuadro Médico Madrid, cardiólogos for cardiologists, and you will find the exact list of in-network providers near you. This matters because doctors switch carriers year to year. The specialist you need at Sanitas this year might be at Adeslas next year. Verifying the Cuadro Médico for your area before signing up beats discovering later that your preferred doctor isn't in the network. Now, what's the mistake almost everyone makes? The mistake: buying the cheapest plan from a recommended carrier without confirming it's the visa-compliant tier. Every major carrier offers both copay and no copay plans. The copay plans are cheaper and more advertised, but they fail consulate review. You specifically need the no copay, no waiting period, full coverage tier, so always confirm in writing that you are buying a visa-compliant coverage, or work with experienced brokers who are used to deal with Spanish visa applicants and are sure and able to provide Spanish visa compliant policies. Another very important and frequent question is, am I gonna get a full refund if my visa is rejected? And that will also depend on the refund or cancellation clause. Always make sure to read all the contracts. It is important that you check the cancellation clause because certain cancellation clause may be tied to certain conditions, like your visa must be denied because of a health insurance policy, otherwise there won't be any refund, or there is a partial refund and not a full refund. Okay, so always make sure to understand that there is a full refund without conditions in case your visa is denied. The page below has my carrier comparisons for NLV applicants, sample certificate language to compare yours against, and direct quote contacts. Thank you for today. For everything else on the NLV, head to SpainNonLucrativeVisa.com, link in the description. Thank you for watching today. If you like this video, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel. Hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.